Tanuja. You are watching Chemistry YouTube channel. So in the last session we have discussed about properties of matter and their measurements. In this session we are going to discuss about significant figures. So these significant figures may be a new word for you, but it is a figure. Figure is nothing but digits. Significant figures, it is nothing but a meaningful digits. So significant figures are nothing but meaningful digits that helps to identify the uncertainty in measurement. That helps to identify the uncertainty in measurement. So again, what is uncertainty? Uncertainty is nothing but error. It is a error or doubtful. It is an error or doubtful. For example, so while doing any experiment, we may get some value like 5.6. Okay, one person may get 5.6, one person may get 5.3, but the exact theoretical value will be 5.4. So here the phi is a constant. Okay, the phi number is constant, but here the phi number is constant. Here the only different numbers are 6, 3, 4. So these are uncertain in measurement. These are doubtful whether the 5.6 is right, 0.3 is right, whether it is a doubtful number. So significant figure is to identify the 5.6, 5.3. So these 6 and 3 are the uncertainty measurement. These two values are doubtful. So to clear this uncertainty, we are using significant figures. These are the rules to number the significant figures. Here the first rule tells all the non-zero digits are considered to be significant figure. Example, so you are taking 286. So these three are non-zero digits. These three are considered to be a significant figure. The number of significant figure in this number is 3. The second rule tells the zeros placed to the left of non-zero digit are not considered to be significant figure. So here example, placed to the left of the non-zero digit nothing but a preceding non-zero digit. For example, you are taking 0.052. So these are the two non-zero digits preceding the 0. So in this the significant figure are 1, 2. Okay. So you are taking again example 0.03. In this the significant figure is 1. So see the zeros placed to the left. Left is nothing but preceding, before the non-zero digit are not considered as a significant figure. These two zeros are not considered as a significant figure. Third rule, zeros placed between non-zero digit are considered as significant figure. Example, you are taking 505. So here 0 placed between non-zero digits. 0 placed between two non-zero digits are considered as a significant figure. So in these three are considered as a significant figure. This 0 also considered to be a significant figure. So 1, 2, 3. 3 are the significant figure. And fourth rule is the zeros placed to the right of any non-zero digit are not considered to be significant. So in this the significant number will be only 1. These two zeros are not considered. If decimal point is there to the right of the non-zero digit, decimal point is there. Decimal point is there right of a non-zero digit. The zeros are taken as significant figure. Then these two zeros are considered as a significant figure. Then what is the number of significant figure here? 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 significant figure. And if we consider the exponents, for example, you are taking 5.2 into 10 to the power 2. Okay, in this exponent form, which we are neglecting this. And here we are counting the significant figure. There are 2 significant figure. Okay, and if we consider a physical quantity, if anything, example, you are taking 10 ball, 20 pence, 10 ball, 20 pence. In this, the significant figure will be infinite because you are denoting 10 ball, 20 pence. In this, significant figures will be infinity. So this is all about the rules of the rules to number the significant figures. And next we shall move to the significant figure of addition and subtraction. Subtraction. So, for example, you are adding 2 numbers, 5.13, 2.135. Okay, you are taking 2 numbers, 5.13, 2.135. Add these 2 numbers, you will get 336, 2, 5 to 7. Okay, so when we add, we are getting 7.265. So this we can write as 7.26. Okay, we should write 7.26 in a significant figure. What is the reason to write 7.26? Why not 7.265? So while numbering the significant figure of addition and subtraction, we should see the after decimal, how many significant figures are there after decimal. So consider how many significant figures. These are non-zero digits. So 2, in this non-zero digits 3. So you have one significant figure 2 and other significant figure 3. In this you should consider a least significant figure. In this you should consider least significant figure. Least significant figure is 2. So the answer should be 2. After decimal, 2 significant figures should be there. So that's why 7.26. Same for subtraction. Same for subtraction also. Next we move to the multiplication and division. Okay, multiplication and division. Okay, example we are taking 2.5 into 1.25. Okay, you are taking example. Multiply. What will be the product? 1.25. The product will be 25 is 125. Okay, 3.125. Okay, the product will be 3.125. So in this, how to number the significant, how to write the product in significant figure. So in multiplication and division, we have to consider the least, which has a least significant figure. So consider this. You have significant figure 2. In this you have significant figure 3. Okay, 2 non-zero digit 2, 3 non-zero digit 3 significant figure. Rule 1 says the non-zero digits will be considered as a significant figure. So in this 2, in this 3. So which has least significant figure? 2.5. So we can write this as a 3.1. So we should take the number which has the least significant figure. In addition and subtraction, after the decimal we have to check. In this whole number We have to check the number of significant figure and we have to select the which one is having least significant figure. So this is about the significant figure. In the next session, I will be back with law of chemical combination. Thank you for watching.